Hi, everyone. I am going to go over how to update your product inventory today. So first of all, as you can see, we are here in the products add-on. So the product catalog is over here. We have our main catalog here, which is tutorials. And again, we have found this by going from your top navigation to content, and then on your secondary navigation over here to products. And that's where you find here your product catalog. I am going to teach you how to update your inventory today. So we would click how to update inventory. That's the product. And as you can see, it's right here. We actually don't update our inventory from here though. But I just wanted to show you what this looks like on the front end so that you can see the options available for this product before we begin to add the inventory. Let's head on over to the product. And that's our catalog of tutorials. And how to update inventory here should come in a couple of different options. I have small, medium, and large. I have black, white, or red. And everything is marked as out of stock because I have turned on my inventory add-on, but I haven't added any inventory yet. So this is why if you are going to use the inventory program, you want to make sure that you update the inventory as soon as you add your product, or if you already have your products in the system, you have all of your inventory ready to go. That way, none of your products say out of stock when you have them in stock. So it'll become more clear as we go through this. What we're going to do to add our inventory is we're going to come over here on our top level navigation to e-commerce. And right over here under inventory in your secondary navigation, you can see that inventory is an option now. And we have nothing in our inventory yet. So if I'm going to be adding my inventory, I have 2 products, and one of those products has 6 different e-commerce options. And I'll show you how to do that really quick. You click the little green plus button to add your first inventory option, which would be how to resize an image. I don't have any options for that because it doesn't come in small, medium, or large. It doesn't come in any colors, so it's just one. I'm going to add another product, and that's going to be my how to update inventory. And now I have options. So in small and black, I have 1. I'm going to add another one here. And I'm going to select update inventory again because now I have medium and black, and I have 2 of those. I can add how to update inventory, and I have large and black, and that's 1. And now I can go ahead and click update inventory. And I'm going to want to add the rest of my inventory the same way. How to update inventory. Next color is white. Small and white, 1. And then I click the green button, and I select my product. I select my color first, which is white, and medium, and I have 1. And I'm going to add how to update inventory, large, white, 2. And I can click update. And now, last but not least, is my red and their size options. So let's see, I have in red and small, I actually have 0 red smalls. In update inventory, red, medium, I have 2. And last but not least, in red, large, I have 2. And I can click Update Inventory. I'm going to go over to the front end to look at my product again after I refresh. So I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to refresh this. And now you can see that small and black is in stock. Small and red was out of stock. So if I come over here to small and red, it'll say out of stock automatically. And that is how you update your inventory. It can be a lengthy process, but it's definitely helpful for online sales because it's automatic and you don't have to keep track of anything. If you sell anything in person, you can let support know, or you can update inventory yourself by coming back over here. Let's say, okay, I sold out of both of my large red sizes. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to put in a -2. I'm going to press update inventory. And now my red large says 0. So that is how you can go through and update your inventory manually. And again, it can be lengthy, but when you're adding new products, it's very, very helpful because it's automatic and it's not something you really have to think much about if most of your sales are online. Thank you so much for joining us. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact support@blazonco.com. Thank you so much.